A wolf approached an old man. "You are weak, and I am strong. Wolf, I am old. I have come here to die in these woods. If you should be my end, then so be it. Creatures here never grow to see your age. It is not great to be old, young wolf. Young people do not wish to talk to me. My children who are now adults no longer want to feed or care for me. I am a lone wolf. I am here to die." The wolf stared at the old man's hands and face. The wrinkles, the skeleton frail body. "Here, old man, the strong live, and the weak die." The wolf walked away and left the old man alone.